Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Best Marine Kayak Paddle. This kayak paddle that lets you powerfully and effortlessly glide through water. The premium carbon fiber shaft and reinforced fiberglass blades give you an ultralight yet supremely durable flat water paddle for a more satisfying kayak experience. Ease pressure on your shoulders. Minimize arm fatigue. Focus on your beautiful natural surroundings, not on your aching muscles. This paddle is 220 centimeters in length, weighs 33 ounces, and separates into two pieces for easy travel and storage. Plus, unlike most separating paddles, ours feel as solid and engaging as any single-piece paddle and feature two drip rings to stop water from dripping down the shaft. Choose from our vibrant black prism, blue cloud, blue prism and orange cloud color options. Kayak in style with a paddle that suits your vibe. Each paddle also floats in water and includes a 5 feet leash to keep it securely attached to your kayak. The handle is also designed with a super smooth finish that doesn't hurt your hands. Paddle for longer with zero hand soreness. Our second best kayak paddle for fishing is Ocean Broad Kayak Paddle. This kayak paddle is with high quality aluminum alloy shaft and fiberglass reinforced PP blade. The material combination ensures a stiff and durable kayak paddle at a better price. It's a perfect choice for starters and intermediate kayakers. The oar shaft is designed with a shrinking PE tube cover. It provides better grip for your hands to prevent blistering. Especially, your hands won't suffer from the cold feeling from the alloy when you kayak in winter weather. Not too short, not too long, the oar is 230 centimeters at length. It's an ideal kayak paddle with moderate length for you and your family. It's also detachable at 2 sections, so you might carry it around and put it away easily. All Ocean Broad kayak paddles come with a free bungee paddle leash. It helps secure your paddle to your kayak, especially when you want to lay down the oars, stop by a little bit to enjoy great views around. The paddle is with 3 locking positions for different kayaking angle preference. The drip rings at 2 ends help stop water flowing from the blades. So, the shaft and your hands won't get wet easily. Third pick in our list is Ocean Broad 90.5 inch Kayak Paddle. This kayak paddle is with carbon fiber composite shaft and fiberglass reinforced PP blade. The whole kayak oar weighs around 33 ounces. It's a perfect choice for kayakers of various skill levels. The UV stable PP blade ensures a stiff and durable kayak paddle at a better price. With the carbon kayak shaft, it's an awesome combination of durability and value. Not too short, not too long, the oar is 90.5 inches at length. It's an ideal kayak paddle with moderate length for you and your family. It's also detachable at 2 sections, so you might carry it around and put it away easily. All Ocean Broad kayak paddles come with a free bungee paddle leash. It helps secure your paddle to your kayak, especially when you want to lay down the oars, stop by a little bit to enjoy great views around. The paddle is with 3 locking positions for different kayaking angle preference. The drip rings at 2 ends help stop water flowing from the blades. So, the shaft and your hands won't get wet easily. Number 4 in our side is Hub Kayak Paddles. This 2 sections detachable kayak paddle is designed with 3 locking positions to offset the blade to reduce wind resistance accordingly. It's also designed with 0.5 mm shaft fiber cover for better grip. This especially provides your hands with more comfort during cold winter paddling. With 18 inch by 6.5 inch asymmetrical blades, this paddle is comfortable and energy saving, both for casual and long distance paddling. The blades are feathered with a hollow spine for reinforcement and less weight. All these add up to better cuts and pulls through water. Both kayak length and paddler's height are analyzed to set the length of this oar at 90.5 inches 230 centimeters, so it could fit most people over 5 feet 5 inches with the common kayak length of 24 inch to 28 inch. All of our kayak paddles come with a free bungee paddle leash to help secure your paddle to your kayak. For details, let's watch more. Number 5 in our top 5 best kayak paddle for fishing list is Best Marine Kayak Fishing Paddle. This kayak paddle is lightweight. Paddle shaft has a 17-inch by 6-inch ABS blade on each side. Each blade can adjust to 3 different angles, -90, 0, 90 degrees, allowing you to customize your kayaking experience with ease. These 2 features alone take the stress and strain off your upper body and give you the confidence to paddle 1 mile or many. This 98-inch kayak paddle consists of a high-quality carbon fiber shaft for strength and durability. The sturdy and lightweight construction makes it feel comfortable in your hands, unlike your average aluminum or fiberglass paddle that is heavy and sometimes awkward to maneuver. It's a great value for people looking for a premium kayaking experience at an affordable price. Included in each package is 1 kayak paddle with a 40-inch ruler on the shaft and 2 drip rings that prevent water from running down the shaft, and an easy-to-install 5-foot nylon bungee leash that keeps your paddle securely attached to your kayak. The leash can stretch to 7 feet, while the universal hook and loop fastener strap secures to all paddle styles. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.